I'm going to show you how to install the Octopus Python Client tool. In the terminal, just run pip install. If there's a newer version, generally I always run upgrade the next time you run it again, so it will retrieve the latest version. Now let's start the GUI. Here is the GUI started. It has on the title, it show you the version number and the latest PYPI version. If its version is higher on the PYPI, you can choose to upgrade your local version. This GUI now supports a few features. Clone space. So clone space will clone items or data types from one server to another server, from one space to another space. It can also clone a single item, not just a type. Like for type, you can clone all projects, say, from one server to another server. But if you only want to clone one project, you can use clone space item, which can clone one data, single data from the space to another space. The next one, you can clone the project related items. Now it supports 3 items: channels, runbooks, and the project triggers. Those are the sub-items of the projects. The next one, you can use Octopus Python Client tool to create a release. So of course you can create a release on the Python server UI, but you can also use this tool to create a release. I will show you which additional feature this tool supports. You can also create deployment based on a release. It also supports a bit additional feature on this tool than the Octopus Deploy Server UI. Get spaces is for getting all the data and the configurations from the Octopus server for all spaces or for a few spaces. This is good for backing up your server configurations. Next 2 features are more or less like bundled together, because for get, you can download a single item data from the Octopus server to your local file. This local file will be in YAML format. Then you can edit this YAML file locally and run update to update the same data on the Octopus server.